There's the aggressive bird right there.
Very territorial. He's already...
This morning she was attacked.
Oh no.
It's not doing anything at the moment.
It's scary.
There it is.
Hey guys, so Sheikvid's here. We were outside walking the dogs and we came across a beautiful baby bird. We think it's a robin. So of course, thank you YouTube. We learned that if we just either try to put it back in the nest or make one near where the original nest was, then we should be good if we monitor it, and hopefully the parents come and feed it. So really hoping. The tree's pretty high up and the nest is pretty hidden, but because he's or she is breathing and you know, active, so fingers crossed. So Hunter's going to take down an old bird's nest. Yes, we did check. We've been watching it outside of our window for months. The eggs hatched on Easter. So if Hunter can get this bird's nest down, we can use it to put this bird back by its old nest, and that way the baby can be fed. Hey!
Oh my god, look, it's intact.
Okay, good. So now we have to reuse this to put the baby bird back in. You got it?
Yeah, let's get all these ants off.
All right, guys. So we're still kind of waiting. Hunter literally got this nest.
The ants are crawling out of the nest one
Yeah.
by one, so
Yeah.
I'm kind of just
Waiting. So basically, once the ants are hopefully gone, I just want to put little Kirby. There you are, buddy. I want to put him back in a nest that's secure. This clearly was handmade by a beautiful bird mom.
You've
And
had at least 3 baby birds in there.
yeah.
This should hold this.
Because we watched them from our window grow, and it was super cool. That's why I feel like we feel very entitled to save this
I'm not
little.
seeing any ants, Maddie. Just go ahead and
Okay.
get it over there.
So now we're gonna take this nest and put the bird in it, and then
Here's
put the
what it
bird
looks like.
up. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm about to go like this. So
Slightly broken, but it's still sturdy.
it's still sturdy. And guys, this is a message
that
for those.
craftsmanship.
Yeah, craftsmanship. But then also, guys, look at the plastic the birds have to use. Come on, you know what I mean? Let's chill out on the plastic use. But anyway. Oh, my keys. Oh, God, gotta get the keys. We gotta get back into the house. So we're going back over to where we found Kirby. So we're really excited, but we finished the nest. Actually, I'm sorry, Hunter
This was
finished the
definitely not
nest.
planned,
No.
by the way. We were just walking our dogs, and then we saw this bird on the ground, on the curb, Kirby.
Kirby.
And
So here he is.
we didn't know what to do at first, but then we researched, and thankfully we remembered that there was an abandoned robin's nest. So
Yeah.
we did
Because
it.
here's the deal. So we do have to monitor them for a bit, and we'll come back out and check on him. But for right now, he's where best he can be, because we hopefully put him close enough to his mom so that she will feed him. Or dad, you know, whatever bird may come claim Kirby. Sheikvids not only does Sheikvids, but we're wildlife saviors.
That's right.
Saviors, saviors, I don't know. Hello. Hopefully, once this bird's like mom is able to come back down and feed it, Kirby can just go about living his life. But right now, we secured him up there. Hi, buddy. They're cool.
Wow.
We did it, guys.
Wow.
We did it, guys.
Selfie.
There it is. Selfie. We saved him. Oh, wait, maybe like this. Oh, there he is, right there, right there. Hi, buddy. All right. We'll see you later. And this is the tree from afar. There he is. Smile, Hunt. The man in the nest. So we'll do more updates as we come and check on him, but for right now, Kirby looks great. I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't know how wildlife does it because the girl needs to go shower right now. I got things crawling everywhere, y'all. Places you don't want things crawling, they crawling. Like and subscribe if you want Kirby's mom to come feed him, and you should want this bird's mom to come feed him. Thank you. All right, we'll be back. Check on Kirby in a little bit. Are you recording it? Cool.